Oh my God, what do I get? I've never got everything. If that sounds like you, well then, hey, don't worry, I got you. In this video, we're gonna give you heaps of great ideas. Stick around, because in this video, we're gonna give you 10 great gift ideas for the action camera or tech enthusiast in your life. All right, so the first item we're gonna look at on today's list of 10 things to buy that person who has absolutely everything is a cage for your action camera. Now this one here is for the DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro. You can use it with the Osmo Action 4 as well, and also the Osmo Action 3. And this is a fantastic cage. It slips onto your Osmo Action camera very quickly and easily. It's got like a little latch here that you can see at the top. It's got to pull that forward, it pops open, and then you can just slide your camera quickly and easily into the cage, lock it all in, and there you go. It's got a little bit of extra protection when you're out and when you're shooting. Now, another cool thing is on the side here, it's got a 3/4 inch or a 1/4 inch screw here, so you can attach it to like a regular tripod. And of course, it's got provision here for DJI's magnetic locking system. Here on the top too, it also has a cold shoe mount, and there's even one here on the side as well. This is an awesome little unit. It gives you that extra bit of protection, and it gives you that extra versatility as well. Lighting is such an essential part of getting that great shot, whether it's a photograph or whether you're filming a video. And this little handy micro mini light here from Telesin is a bit of a winner. It only comes in around about 24 Australian dollars, so it's a bit of a bargain, but it's very easy to operate. You turn it on by just holding onto the little button there with the sun on top of it. Now, if you press that a couple times, you'll see we have different shades of light. And there's also an M button here on the top too for different modes. If you press that, we can actually change it to different temperatures as well. There's 3 different temperatures on there. There's candlelight, there's like, there's a street lighting, and there's even a strobe mode as well. As awesome as this is, it's also water resistant, IPX5, which means you can be outside and you can get it rained on, and that's okay. You can't take it underwater though. But one thing I really like about it is it's actually magnetic. On the back here is a magnetic plate, and we just showed you the cage here. This is a cage, as I said, for the Osmo Action 5, but with this little Duvalaki here, you can quickly and easily just attach it to the side of your little cage there, so you can be out filming and you've got like a light source. For only about $24, it's actually a really great deal, and it does make a difference to the lighting when you're out filming with your action camera. Hey, hope you're getting some enjoyment and some value out of today's video, but if you could do me a big favor, one almost as big as this lobster behind me, if you could hit the like and the subscribe buttons, I would truly appreciate it. Just doing these couple of things makes my little channel get a little bit bigger. Maybe that big one day. Okay, thanks for listening. Let's get back to the video. At 8, we're gonna check out this awesome product here from Ulanzi. It's called the Clipmate. And basically what it is if you say out hiking or maybe riding your bike, you might want to attach your action camera to your body to get like a good sort of view from around about this sort of angle. And what you need to do is just attach the Clipmate, because it's got Velcro here, as you can see, and a bit of padding. You've got to attach it to like the strap on your backpack, like so. Now, the really cool thing about this one here is you can go out, you can do some filming, because the top of it actually has a 1/4 inch mount. Here's a 1/4 inch mount, right? But the really cool thing about the Clipmate is that you can actually easily slide it out of the actual holder here, and you can attach it to your camera, as we showed you the day before with the Clipmate. But it has a swivel head, so you can actually loosen this one here, and you can actually move that camera around to whatever angle that you like so, and then you can tighten it, so you can get some really, really cool angles. But wait, there's more. I sound like a steak knife salesman. All right, what else you can do with this? Well, let me just show you. It actually has 3 different length settings too, so you can use it like a selfie stick. There's one, the first one is around about 15 centimeters, and the second one is around about 20, 22, and then the third, that's the second one there, around about 20, and the third one is about 26.5 centimeters. I know I said it before, but wait, there is more. This is also a mini tripod, so you can actually pull the legs out like that, and then say you're out somewhere, climbing up Mount Everest or Mount Kosciuszko here in Australia. Okay, it's not really in the same ballpark, but there you go. You've got like a little tripod that you can actually plonk and get some more great footage. So that's a really, really cool little product. And once you're done with that, once you want to say go back hiking again, you just got to use this little notch here, slide it into the top of the part that goes around your backpack arm strap, and then you're off and you are hiking again. This is a really fun little accessory. Only cost around about $30. So this is a great stocking stuffer, or something small that you can actually give to someone who's an action camera and outdoors enthusiast, and I'm sure that they will love it. All right, at number 7 on our list of products that you might want to find for that person who's got absolutely everything this Christmas is this awesome little unit here from Ulanzi. It's called an air tube, and it's a portable air tube. It creates 12 watts of light, and the really cool thing about it is it's portable, so that means that you can take anywhere, and it's inflatable, which means you actually blow up this bad boy, which is quite easy, like just through here, like that. And on top of that, it's magnetic. So you can attach it to any magnetic surface. Now, turning it on is a breeze. All you need to do is just turn on the power button here on the back and then tap it on again. And then one more tap, and then you'll be able to find the right light for your situation or location. Now, this is a fantastic little unit. Cost around about $50 Australian. Change the temperature. You can make it colder or warmer. And this is a fantastic little deal for that someone special in your life who's into tech this Christmas. I've made a video about this awesome light where I explain it in further detail, and I'll put a link to that in the description down below. All right, next up we're going to look at another light, and this one here is from Suptig. Now this light is a really good one if you're into underwater activities like snorkeling, but especially scuba diving, because with this little LED light, you can take it down to a depth of 45 meters, which is pretty fantastic. It's very, very easy to use and operate. Here on the bottom, you can see there's like a little unit that you can actually attach to like your normal accessory, like your, say, a GoPro handler, for example, if you're going out swimming. And here on top is like another little connector where you can attach it to the camera. I'm going to show you how to do that shortly. First of all, I want to open it up and give you a look at the actual light itself. Or the inside of the light. So to open it up, you just got to pull on this little latch here and open it out. Now here in the back, we have a look, that's where you charge the unit, okay? There's like a little micro USB input there. A charge cable does come with the kit. That's the battery. The battery lasts for quite a long time. I'll put the exact length of time on the bottom of the screen. And when you have finished charging it, you want to shut that and then put this clasp over and pull it nice and tight. You want to make sure that that seal is properly sealed, if that makes sense, right? So, because you don't want to get any water into your light when you're down at the greater depths of the ocean. Now to turn it on, it's pretty simple. There's a little silver button here on the side. It has 4 modes. So the first mode when you turn it on is high. Now I'm not going to shine it at you, don't want to hurt anyone's eyes. The next selection is low. The next one is strobe, like flashing on and off. And the fourth one is off. I haven't had a chance to go scuba diving here in Adelaide yet because it's been too cold. But right now I'm going to show you how to attach this to an action camera. So I've just attached my GoPro Hero 9 to the very top of the light. And as you can see, this little thumb screw actually comes with it. And if you want to make it super tight, because you don't want anything to come undone under the water, it also comes with this cool little tool here as well, which you can just put on the edge of the cap and then just tighten that tool. It's just right and it's not going to move. And as I said, you can attach this bottom part here to like say a dive handle that you might use when you're under the water. Of course, you don't just have to use this light for when you are scuba diving. You can use it for any other situation as well. But that's a really cool gift for that person in your life who loves living the life aquatic. At number 5 on my list is one of my favorite little donkshies, or my favorite items that I take with me absolutely everywhere. This is from PGYTECH, and this is a MantisPod. Now it's like a little it's a little selfie stick, as you can see, which is super handy. And it's also a tripod, as we can pull the legs out here quickly and easily. Right, so no big deal there, right? But the cool thing is it has this other little extra leg on the back. So what that means is you can actually hook this over, say, a door handle or over like a fence. So you can actually get some really, really super cool angles with this particular item. I have made a video about this. I'll put a link to it in the description down below because it's more than a tripod. It's more than a selfie stick. It also has a little remote control that you can actually take off here. Now this remote control, this particular variety only works with a GoPro. So you can tune it up to your GoPro. You can be about 10 meters away and you can operate it with this little remote, which is super handy. But even if you don't have a GoPro, you can still use it with your other action cameras. Now, on top of that cool stuff I just mentioned, it also has a battery in here as well, which means you can use this to charge up your action camera or your other device as well. So next item on our list is one of my very favorite items I think I've ever bought for my action camera. And it's this little guy here. This is the DJI Mic Mini. So with the kit, what happens is you get two of these little mics. You also get mic covers, and these are magnetic, so you can pop them under your clothes, like I've got here with this one right now. It also comes with this awesome receiver. So you actually get two transmitters or two microphones, one receiver. It's easy to use and you can easily and quickly attach this to your smartphone as well. Now, if you have other cameras as well, like SLR cameras, you can also attach it to those cameras to get this awesome audio quality. Now, one of the most amazing things about this microphone, on top of its sound, because it's DJI, so you know the product's going to be A1, is that this only weighs less than 10 grams, which is absolutely incredible. You almost forget that you've even got it. And if you have a DJI camera system like the Osmo Action 4, 5, or the new 6, or even other DJI products, you can actually link up this microphone to your camera or your device without needing a receiver on it. So right now I'm recording on this onto my Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, and there's no cords or cables, there's no other extra equipment needed. It is that good. So this little item here, like I said, there's a special price going on right now for Amazon with their Black Friday deal. I'll put the link in the description down below, but either way, any time of year, this is a great product for anybody and I'd highly recommend it. I made a video where I dive a lot deeper into this product. I'll put a link to that in the description down below if you want to check it out. So the next item on our list is ND filters. Now this is from Telesin, this set of 4. ND filter is like a pair of sunglasses for your camera. And when you say filming in a very bright location, like right now, it's around about 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, the sun is super bright and that means that so much extra light is going into your camera. But if you use one of these ND filters, this is an ND8 one, and you just put it quickly and easily onto the camera, what it does is it actually restricts the amount of light hitting the camera's sensor. Now, this is normally around about $50, this product here from Telesin. There's 4 ND filters in here. There's a CPL, the ND8, which is what we're currently using, ND16 and ND32. But with this Black Friday on Amazon, you can get it for around about 38 Australian dollars, which is a bit of a steal. Now, I've done a longer, more detailed video about ND filters and this product in particular. I'll put a link in the description down below for you to check out a little bit later. All right, next up is an item that I think is going to impress a lot of people. It's a selfie vlogging monitor screen. This little screen here acts as a monitor for what you are capturing on your smartphone, okay? So that's, for example, that's just a bit of a Google page there. And as you can see, it's been mirrored onto this little device here. Now, this comes in super handy if you like taking selfies or you want to film yourself, whether you're making shorts for YouTube or Instagram Reels or TikTok. What you can do is you can actually utilize this front or this rear-facing camera, which is the higher quality camera. And if you want to make a great production, that's what you're looking for. So right now, what I've done is I've actually mirrored it from the smartphone onto this little unit here from Woowood. As I said, it's a vlog selfie monitor. Now, this is such a cool thing. It's magnetic here on the back. Now, I've got a case for my smartphone, which has this magnetic circular ring. But if your phone doesn't have that, don't worry, because the kit actually comes with one as well. So all you need to do is use Smart View, say on a Samsung, or you want to mirror the screen from the camera, from the smartphone to this little monitor here. Quick and easy to pair it up. And what's happening right now, as you can see, it's now attached and I can see exactly what is on the what the rear lenses are filming. So when I go to take a shot, a photograph, or film a video, I know exactly where I am in the shot. Now, this does sound pretty cool, and it is pretty cool. Here on the side of the monitor too, you've got a couple of other little settings that we can discuss. So you've got this bottom one down here, which actually widens the screen or makes it skinnier. And then you've got a brightness option, and the top one will flip the screen if need be. Now, it's quite long, a little bit long for my Samsung S24, but if you have a bigger smartphone, it will probably suit you a little bit better. It comes in a couple of different colors. This is the white version. There is a black version as well. And the cool thing is you compare it to Apple devices as well as Android. But wait, there's another really good feature with this particular device. It comes with a remote control as well, a Bluetooth remote. I've currently got it on photo mode, as you can see there on the smartphone. Now here on the back, you can see what the rear lenses are capturing. I can hold that and have myself in the shot. Now I just got to use this remote, the shutter on the remote, press that, smile for the birdie, and great. So now it's just taking a photograph just like that using the higher quality camera. Of course, you can do the same with video mode as well. So you line yourself up into the shot and you press that shutter like right now. And as you can see, it's recording there on the smartphone and also on the monitor. There is a slight delay though. I will say that's a slight delay, but that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. So that's a really great gift idea. Around about $60 here in Australia. I'll put a link to that one in the description down below if you're interested. But if you've got one of those people in your life who's got absolutely everything, this might be something that they will find super handy, and hey, what a great gift idea. If you want to take your videography or your filmmaking to the next level and you're using a smartphone, well, you really want to think about something like a smartphone gimbal. And this little one here from Hohem is my current favorite. It's the iSteady V3 Ultra from Hohem. It's a fantastic little smartphone gimbal that can be used with smartphones of all different sizes. It has a touch screen remote control that you can actually use and direct from up to 15 meters away, around about 15 meters away. It's got active tracking on it. This gimbal will actually follow you as you move around. And on the bottom, there is a 1/4 inch mount, so you can attach it to a regular tripod if you need. Now, I actually made a video about this product recently from Hohem. I really, really like it. It's a lot of fun, and you can get some incredible shots filming not only people, but this will also be able to track things like animals and objects like vehicles as well. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link to it down in the description, but this is a great gift idea for that person in your life who's always filming stuff with their smartphone. So there you go, that's 10 big gift ideas for you. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you think that you'll secretly buy for yourself? Let me know in the comments section down below. In the meantime, thanks for your company today. I do appreciate your support, and you should check out this video over here next.